I'm Shawn Reilly, and I'm here today to talk to you about studying for and obtaining your CHPA. I've been around the healthcare security industry for about 17 years. I started after retiring from the Air Force as a security director and chief of police for a hospital system, and I have since moved on and work now for an integrator doing risk assessments in healthcare facilities. So I've got to see and participate in a lot of varied healthcare activities. One thing that we talk about in the CHPA and studying for it is that there's really two ways that you can go. You can study as an individual, or you can study in a group. And I know it's probably been a long time for many of you since you've had to study, whether it's high school graduation or college graduation, but you need to consider that before you begin the process. In fact, what a great opportunity is to go to the IAHSS website and go to the CHPA exam prep page. And there you will see a lot of hints about being successful in obtaining your CHPA. But today I want to talk specifically about those two areas: studying as an individual, which I did and got 4 different certifications, and others have done in a group and been successful. So it's up to you. If you're going to study as an individual, it takes a lot of individual discipline, because you have to get through that material, and there's nobody but you pushing you to do that. In fact, when I did it, I planned by getting up an hour early every morning and studied that hour to get through that material. And some days, of course, work got in the way and I didn't get it. But if you plan to study 5 or 6 days a week, you'll get at least 4 in. And as you pursue through that, you'll get through all of the material. And it's a great way as an individual to be successful and to have that plan. If you're not real good at doing it individually, a group is one great way to do it. For the past 8 or 9 years, I've done CHPA facilitation of a study group, and we've been very successful. And you take 15, 16, 17 weeks to go through all of the required material, but you're meeting once a week and studying, or as a group discussion for several hours of 3, 4, 5 chapters of the books that are needed. And then you're assigned more information for the next week. And it goes on and on for all those weeks. And you have other people depending on you. And so that's what's important, is for you to realize that other people need your support through this whole group study process. And really, that's the 2 things I wanted to talk about today was look at the website, decide if you're an individual studier or if you're a group studier, and pursue both of those things. If I can be of help, don't hesitate to contact me. And thank you.